Today we're going to see about VPC, what is virtual private cloud, and why do we need this. If you open VPC, from where you can open it, go to this three horizontal bar. Then inside this, there is an option called this VPC network. This VPC network, why do we need this VPC network? This VPC network is used to connect the devices in the network. Means this VPC virtual private cloud will help you to visualize the resources that you need in the network and to connect several components in a network. Okay, and what are the if you want to see the document also, you can refer it. How you can see the document? Click on the new tab, or better you can open the console and you can type it VPC GCP document. So it will open the documentation of a VPC network, and I will explain you from here also, like what is VPC, why do we need this. So this virtual private cloud network is actually the physical network that are like it's used to connect several resources components that are working in the network. Means they provide connectivity between the several instances like compute instance. Why do we need compute instance? It's an infrastructure as a service that it will going to provide you the server to save your record, right? So it will going to provide you service to save your record, right? And to run your application, to run your task on that compute, right? It will going to provide you processing power. That is why this VPC are used to connect several physical network, to connect several devices in the network, right? And those devices are being installed with means or are being using the service of Google Compute Engine. Kubernetes is one more cluster. Cluster means just like a connection of a like a several component. What do you mean by cluster? Cluster means we are combining several components together so that they are making a cluster. Okay, app engine, right? I've explained you what why do we need app engine, right? So several component we can connect it into the virtual private cloud, and then you can use it. This virtual private cloud means what? Connecting the several component together so that you can get a better service. What is service you will get it here? You can while you are on a network. Okay, so you are on a network with the help of some TCP UDP protocol and HTTP protocol. Two devices can communicate with each other. Okay, how it is happen, let me explain you. Suppose you have a four devices on the network. Okay, here also you you have some four devices. These all four devices, they are connected with each other. Like suppose this all four devices, they are connected with each other by this is the connection. Okay, this is a connection. Now VPC and what is virtual private, they says each and every component that are connected, or each and every system that are connected in a network, they are installed with few configuration. What are those configuration? As you can see in the document, each are having app engine. Means they are using the app engine, you know, right? For deploying your application, for writing your application on the Google Cloud, we use app engine. Compute engine. Why do we need compute engine? to run your application successfully and to deploy your application. So compute engine will going to provide you the complete infrastructure where you can deploy your application, where it will provide you computing power, right? And in the app engine, it will going to provide you platform, which is platform as a service to build your application, where you will start writing the code, right? The next thing is your Kubernetes, right? What do you mean by this Kubernetes? Kubernetes is used to create a cluster. Cluster in the sense like you can see, this is you can consider as a cluster where four node are connecting together. Node in the sense system are connecting together and they are communicating with each other. Like this one is communicating with this, right? This system is communicating with this system is communicating with this, right? Every devices are connected with each other. So you can say virtual private cloud in a sense they are using some services of the Google Cloud, app engine, compute engine, kubernetes, and they are making a communication between them, so that suppose in case if this node lacking some of the service, he can ask this node to provide that. For example, you are running some application. Okay, let's take an example. This node want to run machine learning algorithm. Okay, machine learning project suppose. This is something like face recognition or something, or like a path finding, GPS, something kind of project this system is running. So this system will need a high configuration, right? This system will require a high configuration. In that case, how it will going to manage?